Hello everyone, my name is Georg Kube, I'm with SAP and I'm responsible for our industrial machinery and components industry. Today I would like to talk to you about the intelligent enterprise and why that is important for M&C companies. And to understand the why, really we have to look at all the challenges that companies are facing in this industry today. Not only the big ones like climate change and the need for sustainable energy and smart cities, but also very specific ones where the customer demand is really changing from I need a product to I need a service, and it has to be really specific. Digital is a new norm. We see technologies like IoT, machine learning, and blockchain that M&C companies just simply have to make sense of. And there is a changing playing field where it's not clear who's a customer, who's a partner, and who is a supplier. So all of these things are changing, and on top, companies have to think about where do I produce? Where are my markets? Do I go where my customers are? Do I go where labor is cheap? And M&C companies are addressing these global challenges through tailor-made solutions delivered at scale and as a service. Now, we at SAP believe that the companies who will be most successful in this situation will be intelligent enterprises. And if we look at intelligence as the ability to learn from the environment, to make better decisions based on this learning, and anticipate problems before they even occur, then an intelligent enterprise is an enterprise that is able to do this automatically, where the processes are connected to the real world, to the products, the assets, customers, and maybe even things like traffic and maybe environmental things like weather. Automate decision-making and thereby relieving the people from repetitive work to do more high-impact work and focus on new business outcomes. We think that companies will evolve in 3 distinct stages towards intelligent enterprises. They will optimize what they do already. Maybe they will have remote monitoring of assets through IoT technology. They will extend processes that they have. Maybe they will extend a spare parts process through 3D printing. And they will transform parts of their business to monetize the assets that they have in a new way, monetize data or monetize services delivered on assets. And companies will become intelligent enterprises as they evolve their strategic priorities that really define how they run their business, starting with customer centricity, the ability to understand every customer's customer to the very end, to know how everybody's contributing to the value of the end consumer. Serving the segment of one, the ability to have a product that is really specific to this one need. Digital smart products that have digital capabilities instead of physical ones to even be able to have this high amount of specificity. Digital supply chain and smart factory as the processes that enable making those products. And finally, servitization and new business models as new ways of monetizing. These are the 5 strategic priorities that we see our customers pursuing. And they all are evolved towards the vision, as you can see on this chart. For example, customer centricity, the ultimate goal would be to have customer-for-life relationships based on shared risk and reward models through seamless omni-channels. And you can see how through optimizing and extending and transforming the business, companies can get there and evolve their strategic priorities. SAP is providing the framework, the underlying architecture to be even able to do this. We call this the Intelligent Enterprise Framework, and it consists essentially of 3 layers. There are the applications that you all know pretty well and you've been using for a while. These applications deliver the basic business functionality in an integrated fashion. There is the middle layer that we call the intelligent technologies. These are things like machine learning, IoT, blockchain. And they do not only stand alone, but they're infused into those applications to make them more intelligent, as just explained. And then finally, there is the 3rd layer, which is the digital platform, which is the foundation to do changes, to do integrations, and to bring this all to life. At SAP, we not only have the vision, we also have the solutions, and we have the commitment to go with you all the way to become an intelligent enterprise. If you want to learn more, go to sap.com or contact me directly at georg.kube@sap.com. Thank you very much.